there a foot pump around this?
10 seconds. That's a very clever stretch. Right, zone 2, go!
Get this done while I've still got energy.
See, Francois, I say that rear mounting one wasn't going to see much anyway.
Hopefully there's a table. Ja, that's rough.
Yes, the chip almost dropped, you put.
Yeah, that was close. Thank you.
Cheers.
Puncher.
Are we moving?
We're moving. You should.
Puncture. Take his front wheel.
You put a tube in?
Yeah.
Why did it take so long? You service it as well?
Yeah. Basically, yeah.
180 k's in. Now the hard part. 3 bitches to climb.
Not the time to ask enough questions.
There's one more little hill.
Fucking hell.
190 k's in. And they give this hill. Fucking hell. Made it to the top. The race is done. Fuck. So, are you guys doing it next year?
Yeah. I'll think about it.
Another one done.
Another one done.
That's it. Woo! Well done, guys.
Lekker!
Well done. Okay, guys.
After game, we bumped along. Really well done, buddy.
Well done. Next year.
No longer a DC version.
Mind if I grab your pocket?
I saw that, yeah.
Try. Jeez, I hope that pocket breaks. So I called somebody calling half an hour and told water.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers!
We need help.
Cheers!
Cheers.
He didn't understand at all. And then the other oaks were standing with me like, yeah, no, we're also going to wait for us. So clearly they don't give them very good instructions.